Are you looking for a side gig that pays Bitcoin? Of course you are. It's a great way to get paid because that small amount you might earn today from a side hustle acts as an investment that might be worth twice as much next year. And survey sites are perfect for this. This is very casual online earning. You can do it from your mobile while you're in bed, on the weekend, in the evenings. So in this video, we're going to go through what survey sites are and then the best 3 that will pay you in Bitcoin, with my own personal recommendation for the very best. So let's start at the top. What is a survey site? If you've never played around for these, there's a ton of apps and platforms out there. You download them or you sign up via their website. It should always be free. Never join one that tries to charge you a price. And then once you've joined that platform or site, you go over to the survey section and you will see a bunch of surveys. They're normally 5 to 10 minutes long and they pay between 20 and 50 cents. And the vast majority of these surveys are basically about your spending habits. Do you shop in these stores? Have you seen this brand before? Do you like this potential design for a new whatever? All questions you can answer. The only big tip here to remember is be truthful. Whenever you join one of these survey platforms, they're always going to offer you an initial questionnaire. This is to find out your gender, your salary, where you're located in the world, and they use that to match you with appropriate surveys. Now, it's very tempting, understandably, to say you earn $1 million a year and you're based in California, to hopefully be matched with the best surveys. I get it, it's a natural impulse. However, if any of these survey platforms detect that you might be lying in your answers, they will either disqualify you from a lot of surveys or disqualify you from the platform altogether. So it's always worth being truthful. And a second big tip, always turn your VPN off if you use one. Survey apps and sites don't allow users to use VPNs because the people paying them to get the surveys answered want to know that they're hitting users in the right locations. And if your VPN is detected by the platform, it's very likely you'll get some kind of ban or temporary ban at least. So those are survey sites, that's how they work. Let's go through some great ones that you can sign up for and start earning Bitcoin with today. Let's start with a platform that really focuses on crypto. It makes it the main selling point of this particular survey site. Although, as I say, there are others that also pay in crypto. We'll get to those afterwards. It's called Cointoply, and it has a decent number of fairly high-paying surveys. It also has a key feature that long-time earners might be invested in, which is you get 5% interest on your account balance as long as you have $35. So if you earn $70 this year on Cointoply and you keep it sat in the account, you'll have $73.50 next year. If you don't want to keep your money sat in Cointoply, they luckily offer fairly quick cash outs, usually 24 hours or less. One drawback about Cointoply that you should be aware of is that they've only got a 3.4 on Trustpilot. Now, it's not awful. There are worse platforms out there. Sadly, the survey space is dogged with those kind of platforms, but it's also not impressive either. My second suggestion is Prize Rebel. Now, Prize Rebel is an older site than Cointoply, and it's not as focused just on crypto. They offer a wider range of cash out options, and they also have other ways to earn. The standout feature with Prize Rebel, and this is also good for long-term earners, they have a tiered system of rewards. So as you use the site more and more, you go up to bronze, then silver, then gold, and so on. And with each level you go up, you get certain benefits on the site, including, as I say, better rewards. So if you know you're going to commit to this kind of Bitcoin investing via surveys for a long time, Prize Rebel might be the option for you. But again, they only have a Trustpilot score of 3.4, which isn't bad, but it's also not impressive. Which brings me to my final suggestion, Freecash.com, and this is my personal recommendation. They have an impressive 4.8 on Trustpilot, a huge range of cash out options, including crypto besides Bitcoin and, of course, including Bitcoin, and their surveys are very high paying. They've also got a wider range of surveys than you're likely to find on other sites. And if that wasn't good enough, you can also get a $5 welcome bonus when you join Freecash if you use the link in our bio. So just sign up with that link and you've earned your first $5 immediately. So as you're completing these surveys at home from your mobile and you're earning this little bit of Bitcoin each week, you will also be earning free lottery tickets on Freecash. They host their own lottery where users can win up to 30k every single week. Obviously, it's a lottery. You're not likely to win. You're playing against lots of other people, just like the normal lottery. But hey, if they're already giving you the most payment for your surveys and they're paying you in Bitcoin, plus you've got that welcome bonus, what the hell? Why not get some free lottery tickets as well? And fingers crossed, you might win really big. So those are the best survey sites that pay Bitcoin: Cointoply, Prize Rebel, and last but not least, in fact the best, Freecash.com. Cheers.